welcome back to my channel. Here is Rima Healthy Way. So today I'm going to share a very simple recipe. I'm making coconut cake. So to begin, I'm going to add sugar to my mixing bowl, and also I have my melted butter lard. I am going to add that, and the next I'm going to add is vanilla extract. With berries, healthy. At this point, I'm going to make sure that my sugar is well dissolved. So then I'm going to use my whipping machine to do that. So I am going to add my egg. Wow. Who say woman not the cook? Woman not the cook. Pretty girl don't do soup. He don't do soup. So at this point, I'm going to make sure that my sugar is dissolved, which is very, very important. After that, I'm going to add some milk, all right, and also whip everything together. Then the next I'm going to do is to add my dry ingredient. Then I'm adding all-purpose flour. I'm also going to add baking powder, and the next I'm going to add is corn starch, just a little bit of that. Okay, so guys, at this point, if you're not part of my YouTube channel, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to join this wonderful family. Thank you. So at this point, I'm going to add my shredded coconut, okay, which is very important when making coconut cake. So if today is the first time that you are seeing my video and you haven't joined my YouTube family and you enjoy what I'm doing, you want to click on that subscribe button. You want to turn bell notification on, so anytime I upload a video, you are going to be notified. Okay. So you want to take notice, or make sure that your consistency is on point. Okay, so after that, I'm going to put it into my baking bowl and get it ready for baking. It has already been greased, okay, with some olive oil, and yeah, I already had my my parchment paper or baking paper. So then I'm going to use some of the shredded coconuts on top, okay, as my topping, let me say. So then it's ready for the oven. So I'm going to bake this under 150 degrees, and it's going to take me about 35 minutes to be done. So at this point, it's almost done, and I'm going to use my stick, yeah, to check if it's ready. All right, so after checking, I realized that it's perfect. It's done. Okay, so this is a coconut cake, and it's so easy to make. You want to try this at home. You want to enjoy this with the family. So guys, thank you for joining me today. I really love you all, and I thank you for always coming here to support my channel. I want to use this opportunity to tell anyone watching me who is a new person on my channel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave some comments in the comment section. I will be leaving the ingredients in the description box and any other information you need. You are also free to click on any of my videos on this channel. All right, it's totally free. So until I come your way again next time, here is Rima Healthy Way. It's bye.
Pretty girl, don't do super. He don't do super. Oh, Rema healthy way. Ha-da-da-da-da. Oh, Rema healthy way. Oh, Rema healthy way. It's making my life healthy. With berries, healthy, homemade smoothies, cutie smoothies, making Ghanaian dishes, building natural beauty, making fertility boosting smoothies, berries, go there for your table, cutie, doing natural things.